Apple announced a new MacBook Pro lineup featuring the all-new family of M3 chips. With the next-generation GPU architecture and a faster CPU, the M3 family brings even more performance and remarkable new capabilities to MacBook Pro. Want a new MacBook? Well, let's work together, because in just a few days you can earn enough with me for that new device. All you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram channel, or even better, to my VIP Telegram channel, and follow my signals. I will not let you down. My trading experience allows me to make thousands of dollars a day. Hello friends, I'm Mary and I'm a professional trader. I'm here to assist you in navigating the world of trading. It does not matter which country you're from, how much money you earn, how much you know about trading binary options. I am here to help you. I have free Telegram channels, absolutely free, where I post precise signals and where we can trade together. We can collaborate to enhance your earnings. If you're interested, just follow the link in the description. All right, let's kick off our trading session. I see a promising setup on the USD and Canadian dollar forex pair, and it's worth giving it a shot. Take a look. We've got a significant factor here. It's the resistance zone up top, but the key feature of this resistance zone is that it's also forming a double top pattern. A double top is a strong reversal pattern that has been delivering remarkable results lately, so we can enter a confident short trade here. Let's see what unfolds to avoid entering too early. No, I think the price won't break through this zone. I don't see any factors indicating further upward movement in the price, so we're checking the USD and Canadian dollar forex pair on the platform, and we're opening a 3-minute short trade for $200. Now, while the trade is executing, let's look for other opportunities on different currency pairs. Perhaps I was mistaken. The price is moving up. To avoid taking a loss, we're switching sides now and opening a $400 long trade because it seems like a genuine breakout is happening. Although no, let's wait a few more seconds because this red candle suggests otherwise. Checking other situations. The Australian dollar and Czech franc forex pair looks interesting. Yes, we'll open a short trade here. We'll wait a few more seconds for the chart to move slightly higher. I think we can open a trade from this price level, so we are going short. Here we had a breakout of the support zone, and now the price is just testing the broken support level and it will continue to drop. USD and Canadian dollar is still stagnant, so we're waiting for developments. All right, 2 trades are open, but let's look for something on other currency pairs. What else do we have interesting here? By the way, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar look intriguing. I think we can enter a trade here as well. We'll go for a 5-minute trade. And we're definitely going long. But first, let's wait a few more seconds to get in at a slightly better price. Okay, I think we can go long from here, so we're opening the trade. USD Canadian dollar is still on the rise, so let's not waste time and open a 3-minute trade for $400 going long. Essentially, this trade will be an offset trade for the previous losing trade. In summary, we're covering the losses using the martingale method. All right, now let's wait for these trades to conclude and sum it up. Although we might not wait, I see issues with Australian dollar and Canadian dollar in the right menu. We've had a breakthrough of the support zone here, so we'll also open an offset trade for a $400 short position. Now let's definitely wait for the closure of all the trades. So the first trade on the Australian dollar and Czech franc forex pair closes in the positive, bringing us a profit of $172. Now we just need to wait for the closure of the remaining 2 setups. The second trade on USD and Canadian dollar, our offset trade, similarly closes in the green, yielding $320. Considering that we lost $200 on USD and Canadian dollar pair, our net profit amounts to $112. It's not much due to the lower payout percentage, but it's still profit, not a loss, so it's all good. Now we are waiting for this third trade. All right, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Literally at the last second, the Australian and Canadian dollars trade closes in the positive. I don't understand how we got lucky to end up with a profit here, to be honest, but profit is profit. We earned $368 here, but there is one catch. The net profit will only be $168 because we'll lose $200 on the 5-minute long trade we opened. Yes, we've almost guaranteed a loss here, but we managed to offset that loss with the Australian and Canadian dollar pair. Waiting for the completion of this pair trade is optional at this point. We've already offset the loss here, so I suggest we move on to Trading View and find another interesting setup. All right, I found a very cool setup on Euro and British Pound right away, and we could enter here, but the payout percentage on this currency pair is only 59%. It just doesn't make sense to risk here. All right, Canadian dollar and Japanese yen forex pair. I want to open a $200 short trade here, which we'll do right now. The price is following the trend perfectly here. There is a clear trend line and the price has bounced off it downward several times, so we expect another bounce. I'm not using any indicators or patterns here because we can see with our own eyes that there is a downtrend. Therefore, we're opening a $200 short trade. If the situation doesn't play out as expected, we'll immediately open an offset trade for $400. Now let's wait for the completion. As we can see, our last trade closes confidently in the green, bringing us a net profit of $176. Now let's look at the results of our trading session. Considering we had 2 offsets, meaning 2 of our trades closed at a loss, we managed to offset those losses. And also, thanks to the martingale method, we easily offset the losses and obtain a net profit. In total, we have 4 profitable trades and 2 effectively losing ones. Let's do the math now. We lost $200 on the first trade, then we earned $172, followed by opening a $400 offset trade and earning $312. Then we opened a trade on USD and Canadian dollar, which closed with a $200 loss, but subsequently offset it, entered with $400 and made $368. Finally, the last trade brought us $176. In sum, we earned $628 in 10 minutes of trading. A very decent result, I must say, making $600 while sitting in front of the monitor for 10 minutes. We can conclude this trading session now. Thank you. I really appreciate your time and value that you spend it with me. To stay in touch even more closely, subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I post accurate signals every single day and where I'm in constant communication with you, providing support and assistance.